Friends, today on the 1st of June 2021, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has taken the unprecedented and historic step of cancelling the CBSE Class 12 board exams. More than the cancellation per se, what one needs to understand is the fact that for Prime Minister Modi and his team, the student community and all the stakeholders in the education system, be it students, parents, school principals, teachers, academicians, everybody, they have always featured high on the Modi government's overall agenda in terms of making the educational system a more vibrant one, which is modern in its thinking and yet rooted in tradition. Apart from the fact that in July 2020, the Modi government laid out the brass tacks of the new education policy, the National Education Policy, the interesting thing is that the Modi government has categorically said it is striving towards making gross enrollment ratio to as high as 50% in higher education come 2035. If that happens, that would be excellent. And there is no reason to believe it will not. The other important thing in terms of the national education policy is that it has a holistic approach, a multidisciplinary approach, which just simply does not focus on rote learning, which is what many students in the past have been programmed to think and believe in. Also, I wanted to say that from the PM CARES Fund, any child who has lost his or her parents due to COVID will get a monthly stipend once he or she turns 18, will get a corpus of 10 lakh rupees once he or she turns 23, and even education loans to these students who have lost their parents. The interest burden will be borne by the central government. So I think the Modi government is doing what it can and what it should to ensure that in these challenging times, our students do not see any compromise in terms of their safety, meritocracy, and their overall well-being, because finally, students are our future. Thank you.